Hello everyone, and welcome back to another episode of Owen's Treats. And for today's video, we are going to be making Nutella Swirl peanut butter bars. And I thought this would be perfect because I'm going to a friend's barbecue later today, and I thought I could make something really quick and easy to bring over. So with that, let's get started. For your ingredients, you're going to need 1 cup of flour, 1 cup of packed brown sugar, 1 egg, room temperature butter, half a cup of peanut butter, and a fourth a cup of cookie butter. And if you can't find cookie butter, then you can just do another fourth a cup of peanut butter. Cookie butter just adds another kind of layer of, I guess, deliciousness in a sense. And then fourth a cup of Nutella, 1 teaspoon of vanilla. And then we have stand mixer, and then we have an 8x8 pan, which we're going to lay parchment and grease it later on. For our very first step, we're going to cream together our butter, our sugar, and our peanut butter / cookie butter. And then while this is mixing, we're going to add in our egg, our 1 egg, and our teaspoon of vanilla. We're going to scrape down our bowl. And then just like with our egg and vanilla, we're going to add in our flour while it's mixing. But we're going to add in our flour in increments. Now that our mixture is fully incorporated, we should have a very pale looking peanut butter-esque dough. I have my 8x8 pan here, and all this is I have a piece of parchment at the bottom, and then I have all the sides greased. So I just cut the parchment out to fit the bottom. So for this, we're going to just scoop in, or pour in I should say, our dough. And we're just going to press this to the corners and to the sides. Now we have our dough pressed into our pan. We are then going to add in our Nutella. So for this, we're just going to add little kind of blobs of our Nutella onto the surface of our dough. So to get our swirl effect, we're going to take a toothpick, a skewer, or in my case I have a chopstick here, and we're just going to kind of take from the center of our Nutella blobs, and we're just kind of gonna thin them out and stretch them out and kind of make little patterns into our dough. Because when this bakes, this will rise, so even if you do get a little bit of Nutella kind of stuck or kind of hidden underneath the dough, it is going to bake up and rise, so you'll be able to see the pattern a lot better. So for this, we just don't want any main pieces of Nutella in one area, because I just want to spread it around. And now that you have your dough or your batter all finished, we're going to pop this into a preheated 350-degree oven, not onion, oven, for about 20 to 25 minutes. And then we're going to stick a toothpick into the center of finished bars, and if it comes out clean, then it's done, but if it still carries a little bit with it, and I mean the dough, not the Nutella, then you can stick it in for around another 3 more minutes. And here's our finished bars out of the oven. Thank you guys for joining me on another episode of Owen's Treats. I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye!